Hello, welcome to webhostingtrailers.com. Nowadays, the best-selling companies worldwide use the WooCommerce hosting platform to increase their sales. Moreover, by using WooCommerce, online stores make businesses so successful because they can be fully compatible with all parts of their sites. If your website does not have WooCommerce, your chances are not looking good against your competitors. However, if you are interested in shifting your sales strategy and implementing the perfect tool to boost your online store, you will love what you will hear about this plugin. In today's video, we'll talk about how wpengine works with WooCommerce to help you to increase the online presence and revenue for your online store. Also, don't forget that webhostingtrailers.com constantly offers the latest in web hosting services. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's go back to WooCommerce. wpengine is one of the most popular WordPress platforms, and it's ideal for everyone from small enterprises to creative agencies to large corporations. wpengine has all of the essential capabilities you'll need to present your clients with the best digital experiences. Having the right e-commerce hosting solution will impact all your site performance and conversion rate. wpengine does this, giving growth to scale large businesses and bring value to e-commerce stores. This new e-commerce functionality includes greatly improved search experiences using elastic press, better and manageable server environments, customizable WooCommerce tools, AI-assisted plugin updates, and many other tools designed for faster and better-looking stores to ensure bigger conversion rates. What wpengine excels at is that it is designed to adjust its features as businesses grow bigger and better and get ready to address different kinds of threats. wpengine has highly flexible plans to guarantee value in all hosting services. If you're interested in incorporating your online store with WooCommerce, you can check a special link to buy their services in the description below. Not only that, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, so you can be notified of other great videos about web hosting providers like this one. Let us see in detail how wpengine fulfills its promise to enhance sites like yours through its new WooCommerce hosting solutions. Using the instant store search feature from Elastic Press, WooCommerce increases up to 18% in your sales. In addition, wpengine helps you optimize your WordPress servers to ensure your site's security and scalability. Your WordPress site will be 100% customizable, helping developers and marketers build sites faster using the Genesis theme tool. In addition, you can build sites with friendly no-code tools without the need for developer assistance. Another interesting fact about wpengine is that artificial intelligence will be at your service for making security updates and checking your WooCommerce site against any attacks, keeping your store safe at all times. You will have access to constant site development tools to perform backups and PHP version testing. Not only that, you will have a well-trained team of professionals to help your site succeed, with 24/7 support all year long. In short, wpengine's WooCommerce hosting will deliver high value to online stores, helping store owners create the best digital experiences for customers. You will have a constantly optimized platform that powers your website's shopping experience. Knowing that store owners of all kinds can rely on wpengine to support their WooCommerce sites is excellent news. WooCommerce powers 29% of all e-commerce sites on the internet, making it one of the most popular plugins for e-commerce sites. In other words, you will have the best of the best, WordPress to build your site and WooCommerce to launch your store. The perfect combination for small and mid-sized business owners. That is why wpengine brings the best of both worlds for your platforms, integrating WordPress, WooCommerce, and Elastic Press all in one place. If you like what you heard about wpengine, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this web hosting video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading web hosting providers and subscribe to our channel. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.